binaryaoptionstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with Binary Option Strategy, and today we're going to explore 3 new Japanese candlestick patterns that will help you get more options to expire in the money. This is our second installment on patterns that will warn you a trend might be about to come to an end. They are really useful if you don't want to get caught in a reversal or want to get in early on a trend as it's forming. We'll start by analyzing an engulfing candle. They usually form at the end of longish trends, and they are candles that go in the opposite direction of the trend. Why they are called engulfing is that they are bigger or engulf the preceding candle. Often they will have long wicks or shadows. This usually indicates that the market dynamics have shifted and the market will likely head in a new direction for a while or form a new trend. There are 2 kinds of engulfing candles. The bullish engulfing, which forms at the end of a downward trend and is followed by an upward candle. The second is a bearish engulfing, which happens at the end of an upward trend and is followed by a large downward candle. The next pattern we're going to look at are tweezers. They are relatively rare and are 2 candles of almost identical shape, but different colors. They form at the end of a long trend and show that the market is poised for a reversal. A tweezer shows when the market reaches a support or resistance level and fails to break through. Thus, the important factor in a tweezer is that they reach almost identical lengths on their wicks or shadows. For example, a tweezer top, which indicates the end of an upward trend, will have 2 candles of more or less the same size, but the wicks will end at the same height. Sometimes the size of the candle will vary, but the important trait is that the wicks reach the same level. The opposite is a tweezer bottom, which forms at the end of a downward movement, and the shadows of the 2 candles extend to the same level. To use these patterns in a strategy, you'll need to use charting software as explained in previous videos. Because these patterns depend on 2 candles, you want to look for them in smaller time frame charts. Here, for example, let's say your binary option expires in 15 minutes. You'd open your charting software in a 5 or 1 minute time frame. That way you can detect a pattern that will carry through until the option expires. Here we have an example of an upward trend ending in a bearish engulfing. This would be a good opportunity to switch to our binary options trading platform and buy a put. A few minutes later we have a bullish engulfing, signaling that the market is going to retake its losses. As you can see, this would have been an excellent time to buy a call. And that's it for now. We'll discuss more simple patterns next time. Happy trading!